How to fix Facebook error on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone. Then when your settings of your phone is open, you will just go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook. You will scroll down later also and you will click on storage. Then you will go to the last option, clear data. Click on it and then click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.